Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, The Oily Housewife. As you can see, I'm at my dining room table because my husband placed a very large order for the month of November on his subscription, and it was so big I had to put it on my dining room table. So I want to flip the camera over and show you guys everything that we got. And if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below if you want to learn a little bit more about what I have here. Or if you guys have not yet made that decision to get with Young Living and you're like right there, I would like to tell you that for the month of November, I am doing a gift for anybody that signs up with me, which I have 2 products here that you guys will get as a gift from me. And I'll explain a little bit more about that towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get to these products. Alright, like I said, I had to use my dining room table. I'm going to start off with the oils right here. I have 7 peppermint, 5 citrus fresh, 2 tangerine. These actually came with the diffusers. I have gratitude, gathering, hope, myrrh, and believe. These are amazing essential oils for the emotional support. Those were free. I have the Ecuadorian lemongrass in the back. 5 of the Thieves household cleaner, 5 Thieves dish soap. These are actually the products that you will be getting for free as a gift from me if you sign up with me for the month of November. So I have catalogs. I have these really cute car diffusers that came free, part of the freebies. Now the good stuff. So I have 5 of the Haven ceramic diffusers. Look how cute these are, you guys. So this is also going to be a gift, but I'm not going to give too much detail. So I have the Ember diffuser. This is like, these are both ceramic. So the Haven and the Ember are ceramic. So pretty. And then the lantern, you guys. Look how pretty. I got 2 of those. Oh, my husband did actually. So here it is. This is my husband's November subscription order. So if you guys have any questions on any of these products, please leave a comment down below. If you guys are interested in signing up to get the free products, please let me know. So here is a picture of the freebie that you will get with me when you sign up for the month of November. Alright you guys, if you have any questions on any of these products, or if you want to sign up with me, let me know. I would love to have you as my oily family. But till next time, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.